to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Your Virgo channel. Hey guys, you're welcome. As usual, I have another remedy I'm going to be preparing in my kitchen. So let me share one of these remedies with you guys. This remedy is very good, immune booster. It helps you for cold, for flu, whatever. Normally I prepare this. I have this always in my fridge. Once a week I prepare it. So I just thought to share one of the recipes with you, how I prepare it. So easy. So for this remedy, you're going to be needing your ginger. Here I have my ginger. I'm going to be washing it. I have my lemon. Yes, I have lemon. I have a bottle here. With this bottle, don't put it in plastic. When you finish preparing, you're going to pour it in a bottle. It's better a bottle so that it will conserve properly. Plastic is not advisable. So you need a bottle, or if you don't want to put it in a bottle, you can as well put them in your ice cubes and you put in the freezer. Okay, then you'll be needing a muslin cloth, a Pyrex container, or whatever container you have, any container. So because we're going to be using this muslin to sieve it out. But if you don't have muslin, you can as well use a normal sieve. Okay, so you need a blender. So I'm going to be needing some salt. The salt is to wash the ginger and the lemon. I'm going to be washing it so that any dirt or anything in the body of the ginger, it will disinfect. Salt is very good. It's optional. If you don't want to use salt, you can. But normally I use salt. I use it to wash. So I take some salt and I scrub on the ginger. I scrub it properly. I put some on the lemon as well. Any dirt, it will disinfect it, because we're going to be blending everything like this. I'm not going to remove the skin. It is beneficial as well, so I'm not going to be. And you wash it properly. Wash it. After washing, we are going to be cutting it into pieces. I finished washing it, guys. So what I do now is I will take the ginger and I'm going to be cutting it into pieces. Cut them into bits so that it will be easier to blend. If you have a juice extractor, you can use it as well. I have a juice extractor, but I decided to use blender because I know many people will not have juice extractor, so I wanted to show you how I blend it as well. So when you finish cutting them into bits, put them in your blender. Okay. Of course, when we want to blend it, we are going to be adding water, guys. So we need some water. Don't put too much water because this is so nice. It's ginger lemon honey shot. We're going to be adding honey later, or you will not add the honey with all the ingredients. You add honey each time you want to drink it. Yes, you can as well warm it a bit. I will show you guys what I normally do. You get a small container, a cup, you put a little bit of ginger shot inside, or you add it to your tea. But if you are sick, if you are ill and you want to take it to be able to cure yourself, because this is so good for flu, for cold, for anything, guys. So guys, I'm going to blend it now. I'll put some water, not too much water, very little. So this is the amount I put as at now. That should be almost a cup and a half, guys. So I'm going to blend it and I will show you guys, because I don't want it to be too liquid. You can always dilute it with some water when you want to drink it or you prepare your tea. So now we're going to blend it. So guys, we're ready to blend now. Let's blend. So guys, as you can see, I need to put a little bit of water, so I'm going to get water to put inside. So let's add another cup of water. Not too much, guys. I don't want it to be too much. Let me add some more water. So we're going to be sieving it now, guys. So guys, in order to sieve it, you get your muslin cloth, you put it inside whatever container you are using, you open your blender, you now put the mixture inside your muslin cloth, take off your blade from your blender, and then you pour the contents inside. You pour the mixture of our ginger and lemon inside. Guys, give this recipe a try. Home remedy. It's home remedy. It's amazing, guys. So don't put too much water because it's more powerful like this. In all, I put about 2 full cups of water. 2 to 2.5 cups of water is what I use, depending on your mixture, guys. Depending on the amount of ginger you want to use, whatever the amount, just use small water, mix it, and you are good to go. Give this a try, guys. This is always in my fridge. Whenever my family, they're having cold, or this is good for anything you can think of. Cold, cough, anything at all, guys. It's a good home remedy. You can just put 2 spoons in your tea if you don't want to drink it like this, because it's very powerful like this. Or you can add water and add honey, and you are good to go. So now I'm going to be pressing out the excess. That is why it's good to have a muslin cloth. You see, it will, all your shaft will be inside here. So press it properly. So if you don't want to have shaft, you need muslin cloth for this, guys. You don't take any drugs. This is what we use for our fever, whatever. Of course, if you need to, you can, but this one is so amazing, guys. Immune booster. So after I've squeezed off the excess, I'm going to be washing my hand. So guys, I'm going to be pouring it in the bottle. This bottle, as I said, is always in the fridge whenever I prepare my remedy. So I'm going to pour it inside. So this is it, guys. This is it. So I'm going to show you normally what I do. Maybe for example, I'm not feeling fine and then I have headache, or I have a fever or I'm feeling kind of cold, you understand, I just take a teaspoon of your honey, put it inside. Yes. And then you pour some. The ginger shot, you pour it here. Don't put too much because this one is very powerful. But so this is what I do. And then go and warm it a little bit in order to melt the honey. But if you know that this is too powerful for you to drink, you can as well put some water. But this is what I do. I'm going to be putting some hot water, or if you have hot water you put, if not you put it in your microwave. I'm going to warm it a little bit. Even if I don't want to warm it, just to show you guys, I can drink it like that. See guys, I'm drinking it, I'm showing you guys. This is it. If you like, you warm it. If you don't want to warm it, the same thing. So this is it. Just put it in your fridge. This one will last for the whole week. Yes, the whole week. You've just seen what I did now. Just put honey. You put honey and you are good to go. You don't need your paracetamol or whatever. Once you have this, you are good to go. Disclaimer, I'm not responsible for anything. If you need to take your medicine, you can take it, but this is just to share with you guys. This is what I use. Yes guys, if you don't have honey, you can use your sugarcane, you can use your brown sugar, and you can even drink it like that. Yes, okay. So if you love what I do on this channel, just do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell. That way you see whenever I share or I upload my videos. Yes, thank you so much for those of you that keep coming to watch my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you. Till I come your way again from Viroko channel. Till I come your way again, remain blessed. For now, it's bye. Thank you. Bye bye.